What is going on, guys and girls? It is Preston here today, and welcome to Aesthetics on Omegle 17 Karate Kid Edition. It's going to be an awesome time, but real quick, only 92.9% of you watching this video right now are subscribed. That's absolutely insane. So if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe, guys. You're going to click that bell notification, and of course, share the video with your friends. Comment what costume I should wear next, and like the video for the algorithm. Thank you guys for all of the recent subscribers. I love you guys so much, and I hope you all enjoy Aesthetics on Omegle 17 Karate Kid Edition. Let's go, baby.
The truth will set you free. You can't stop the girl from going. You can't stop the world from knowing. The truth will set you free. You can't stop the girl.
Alright, quick question. Can you rate my Karate Kid costume?
Yes.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
I'm a little. Oh my god, okay.
Alright, so 1 to 10, what are we going to rate the costume?
I love when the chorus comes up. Rate his costume. Hold on, they're trying to sing. I rate your costume a 10.
Thank you. To say about 7s?
What?
7s are good, right? They'll like stay around. Thank you.
It was nice meeting you.
Alright, have a good night. I see you.
Hi.
We weren't supposed to see this yet. I was supposed to like have my shirt on, and then I was gonna say like rate my costume, and then I was gonna turn off. Kind of ruined it. It's all good. It's all good. Now I'm just here with my shirt off, wearing this. So what are we gonna rate it?
Oh, 10.
A 10? Okay, I will take a 10 any day of the week. Thank you.
The world from knowing. The truth will set you free. You can't stop the girl from going. You can't stop the world from knowing. The truth will set you free. You can't stop the girl.
So what are we gonna rate it?
A 10?
A 10? Okay, I will take a 10.
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
I mean, have a good day.
You too. Yo, so 1 through 10, can you rate my Karate Kid outfit?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah. Let me see it.
Okay. Holy frick.
What the fuck is buff? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god.
He's scary. Lula, he's threatening my manhood.
Oh my god.
Please don't tell me that that's the boyfriend, because I would hate to disrespect.
He's my gay best friend.
Oh, well then I hope you enjoyed.
Is this going on YouTube or no?
If you want it to go on YouTube.
Yes.
You can't stop the girl from going.
Are you real?
The truth will set you free.
Okay, alright, well, I'll take an 8.5 because you know what they say about 8s, that 8s stay around. The kid costume, and then I tear off the shirt, and they're like, oh my god.
We can still rate your Karate Kid costume.
I mean, okay, start it over. Start it over.
Yeah, so just pretend
we're not here.
Okay, ready? Go.
Okay, alright, hold on a second, hold on.
Hi.
Just type, and I'm just like, rate my costume. I actually have it copy and pasted. Look at that. I'm efficient.
Oh.
Wow, yes, I'm wearing pants. Well, good to know.
I know, right?
You kind of, you know what? You kind of,
It works every time.
Damn, wait, do you work out?
No,
he doesn't work out.
You eat Taco Bell every night, don't you?
Yeah.
Pizza Hut. Up here, you pop the packs a little bit.
Okay, all right. So,
Okay, I'm back.
now we gotta rate them now.
Okay, wait, we gotta rate you. Okay. Personality, 10.
10.
Presentation.
I thought it was a, I thought it was a 10.
Okay, that could have been. But,
No.
9.5. 9.5.
I can live with that.
His outfit.
Okay, his outfit, his costume.
I mean, I do really like the headband.
Karate Man.
Exactly,
Yeah,
it's like
that
simple.
that headband sells it.
Mm-hmm.
Like you got that when you were 12. Like imagine, like I can just imagine him being.
So
12
your
years
mom
old
was
and
just setting you up for your future.
Exactly. She knew that I'd have a big ass head still, so it would still fit. Exactly.
10.
10.
Yeah. 10.
That is
Good job.
fantastic.
You made it through. Next
you.
round. You
Thank
made
you
it
so
to
much.
Hollywood.
I appreciate
You made
that.
it to Hollywood. How excited are you?
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, you're awesome. You keep doing you. I'll text you tonight about our act.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Okay.
2. Bitch, this isn't Magic Mike. No one gives a fuck about your abs. Your body is really bad. Actually, like, you know, it's not bad. It's just not my type. Why are you trying to flex your body?
That's what I do for a living.
Fatality.
Do you prefer Rockstar or Monster?
I prefer margaritas, actually.
You from YouTube?
Yeah, I am actually.
Are you this one?
That is me. Yeah, I just posted yesterday. Yeah.
I just subscribed.
Well, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Hell yeah. Sick. Thank you, man.
Bye.
See ya. Alrighty, guys. That was the Studies from Omegle 17 Karate Kid Edition. We actually got banned off of Omegle. Thank you all so much. You know, I haven't been banned on here since I was like 17. So once again, some nostalgia for you guys. But I hope you all enjoyed. Stay massive, stay mirin, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Woo!